In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a Google Ads campaign that's not getting any impressions. This can be a frustrating issue, especially when you've put effort into building your campaign but aren't seeing any results. We'll go through this step by step so you can get your ads visible and reaching the right audience. First, head over to the Google Ads homepage. If you're new to Google Ads, you can access the platform from any web browser. Once on the page, you'll see the sign in option at the top right corner. Click it and enter your Google account details to access your dashboard. This dashboard is your central hub for managing campaigns, reviewing performance, and adjusting settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Google Ads home. Here, you'll see an overview of all your campaigns. Next, focus on the campaign that's not receiving impressions. Click the Campaigns tab on the left-hand menu to display all your active and paused campaigns, then select the specific campaign you want to troubleshoot. With the campaign selected, click on Settings just below the campaign name. This opens a detailed view of all the settings that could affect how your ads perform. A crucial area to examine is your bidding strategy. Your bid determines how much you're willing to pay for clicks and influences how often your ad is shown. If your bid is too low, your ads may not be competitive enough to appear in search results. Take a close look at your current bidding strategy and compare it with your campaign goals. Sometimes, increasing your bid slightly can make a big difference in visibility, especially in competitive markets. Also, ensure that your strategy matches your objective. For example, if your goal is to maximize clicks, choose a strategy that aligns with that goal. Another factor to consider is ad relevance and quality score. Ads that are highly relevant to their target keywords and landing pages are more likely to get impressions even with a moderate bid. Check your ad copy, keywords, and landing page to make sure they align closely. By following these steps, you should be able to identify why your campaign isn't being shown and make the necessary adjustments. Remember, regular monitoring and optimization are key to preventing future issues and ensuring your campaigns perform consistently well. With these adjustments in place, your Google Ads campaign should start gaining impressions and reaching your target audience effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get your campaigns back on track and running smoothly.